All right.
Like that? That's hard. Yeah, I think I want you like that. You're like, awesome. Bitch, is an apple. Like, hell yeah. Yeah, that's hard. Oh, man, that's hard. Like, yeah, nigga, this is an apple.
Taxi!
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh, yeah. Look right in here. Yep, hold it, hold it, hold it. I like that. Okay. That's cool. I like that. That's cool. Yeah.
Wait, Tax.
Huh?
Wait. It's cold.
It's supposed to be cold. Well, I don't know what you. I literally told you. I don't know what you expect.
It's cold,
But I like how this is though. Oh yeah, I like this. Oh, is it gonna splat?
Right.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm having fun now.
Why is it so fun?
I don't know, cause you get to be messy. I think being messy is just fun in general. Cause you don't get to do it every day.
Right, okay.
There we go. I like this better than what I was thinking. You wanna be crazy bloody?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Like I want to have a lot of
You wanna have like a lot of blood, right? You wanna be able to play in it?
Yeah.
Whew, all right.
Oh, Tax, but like I already have these cute.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
I'm just going with what you said, because you told me.
All right, but watch the hair.
I'm not getting the hair. I'm not getting the hair. I'm not getting the hair. If it gets in the hair, it's your fault.
Okay, I'm gonna sit still.
So sorry.
All right, Tax. All right.
It's gonna flow down. That's the whole point of like going up. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So you want to play in it? So I'm just.
All right. All right. All right.
I'm following your instructions. I'm literally following your instructions.
Right.
I'm making. Hold on. I'm just like empty this bitch out.
Oh my God. You blocking those eyes.
Oh, sorry. They could see it. God damn it. Y'all see this? She said she wanted to be able to play in it, and I was like, okay. I said, yes, ma'am. I said, all right.
Yes, ma'am.
I said, careful what you ask for.
Oh, Jesus.
There we go.
I'm pretty bloody. I'm gonna start with the ones when you touch my hair first. Stop.
Bet. Whew. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty. I get you. Shit, hold on.
I'm over here sliding and shit.
Don't die. Bet. Oh, I think this is good. Casper, bro.
Huh?
Ooh, I like that. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Ooh, I need a boomerang. Always. I'm forgetting.
What if a nigga pay me?
What? Oh. Get it? Some more up top, so quick. Hold it. Let me know if it's giving what you wanted to give real quick. Hold on. I'm about to show you. I gotta move. Yeah. You said it's not funny? I can tell you're physically struggling.
Like, really actually. Good? Does it look good? Okay, hands.
Yeah.
Hands. Okay. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh. Scary. What should I do here? I want to look at. Do you think I can consume?
You said I could think what?
Can I consume it? Is it edible? Jesus fucking Christ! I'm not gonna consume it. Nah.
Yeah, it's safe. It's just will stain though, but it is safe. I mean, people are supposed to put it in there like vampire blood.
Oh, true. That's true. Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Tilt your head back a little bit more. Hold it. Oh, I like that. Hold on, one more. Bet.
Knife back here so you can see it. Let's go there. Hey, I can't sit still.
Yeah, I'm trying to see where you're trying to go.
I wasn't going anywhere. It's just.
Oh, you were just.
I was just kind of sliding because it has no grip and I can't grip anything else.
Okay.
Just don't get it. Okay.
I got you.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? All love. I just needed to see some like. There you go. Some like strikes. Like yeah. There you go. All right. Before I spray your face, I'm about to do this real quick.
Get up to the sliding.
Yeah, I got you.
Gotta start over.
Hold it. Oh yeah. Look right in here. Yep. Hold it. I like that.
Cute. Yeah, keep love it. But love it.
I'm trying to see what you're trying to do. Where you going?
I'm trying to sit still and it's just moving me.
You just turned sideways, so I'm trying to see where you going.
Oh, I get it now. Just like that.
Okay, bet. Now I'm trying to make sure I'm trying to see if you're changing poses. All right.
Oh, yeah, kind of.
Bet. You good.
But like when I'm moving the.
I'm working with you. Oh yes. Hold it. Oh, hold it. Oh yes. Hold it. Yes.
I appreciate it. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Like make sure you get the curves because I'm curving. Like
Yeah. I got you. Yeah, I'm seeing the curves, the curvature.
because I'm really trying hard over here.
So curve. You want me to spray your face?
Yes, but like.
Where at?
So neck. Good spray. We'll see what it looks like. That's gonna be like, oh Jesus.
Yeah, you see how it came out?
Yep, I did. All right, so like.
It's not bad.
All right. Love that. Maybe like a little bit under your chin. So that it like. All right, and then like face, but like a very distant face, like not too much face.
I can't be too far because it's gonna get wider.
Okay, so like.
Like see, like it's gonna get
like
wider.
a little bit further, because I don't want it to be just like a dot and like a jerk. I want it to
So like from here,
no, but like come a little bit closer.
I don't want to hit your lashes though. The most can come off. Is you about to say? Are you wearing that hair to work?
No, I'll probably go take it off when I get home.
So what you want me to do?
Go ahead and just do this whole fucking circle. All right.
Like that?
Sexy.
That's hard.
Okay, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. Do like
A little bit low.
one, but like
Close your mouth.
let me explain it though. But like a little bit darker. So like closer.
Close your mouth. Blow out before you open your mouth. and then open. There you go.
Okay. Okay, good.
Ah, you look fucking crazy. You look crazy as shit. I gotta do another boomerang. You look fucking wild.
Don't fuck what her she says.
Nah, definitely cannot. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. It probably was, I don't know, a little bit too cinematic. Hold on, one more. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's getting crazy, bitch. It's getting maybe we should not fuck with her.
Yeah. I'm liking this. So what? We get drunk. So what? Don't die.
This is not fun, but it's fun. Okay. What should I do next? You're the pro, so I gotta.
What was that?
I have to. It feels heavy.
Oh, your shirt?
Yeah.
How'd that make it okay?
Like I had to this place on here. Okay.
Because you do.
Not really.
There you go. You're there. I like that. I like that. I like that. I'll do that again. Have like really spread your hands. Like I want to see fingers. Yeah, hold it. Look in the camera like me. Like fuck, I did that. Yep. There we go. Here we go. Like oh shit. There's no way. Yes, that's exactly what I want. That's exactly what I want. Now I want like a ah. Like ah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Give me one of those. Go ahead.
Like you want me to scream?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Yes.
That looks too happy. I need you to be fucking terrified. Like, ah!
Okay.
All right?
Okay. I can't.
You got it. You can. You arching your mouth up too much.
Okay. All right.
You got it.
Just scream with me.
You got it. I got you.
Ready?
2,
No.
3. Ah! There we go.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yeah, I do look. Okay.
See how you were like screaming smiling
I
before?
see that at the beginning, yeah.
And you see that
I'm
shit?
so angry.
I love that. Can you like get on feet or no?
Like stand
Like
up.
are you able to like do this? Are you able to do this?
Okay. Okay. But just
can
gotta
do
get
that.
quick.
Try to like this on some shit. Like be weird. Be weird. Yeah, yeah. Like be weird.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. You got it. You got it. You got it. This shit's giving like Doja for real. Hold it. Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it.
No cap. What would she do? Like a little devil shit?
Hold it. Look right up into the camera. Fuck yes. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, bet. Take a break. You good?
Yes, okay.
All right.
You better get in now. Hold on here. It is giving Doja. It really is giving.
That shit's so hard.
My eyebrows look non-existent.
That shit's so hard. I can make it even more non-existent.
What the fuck?
That shit's so hard.
They really do look non-existent.
That shit's so
I look
hard.
like a creature.
This shit's so hard.
No, yeah, this shit's fire.
And if you select them tonight, I can edit them tomorrow.
Okay.
This shit. So I want to do some more like. Yes. You got it. Hold it. I got you. I see the muscles flexing.
Yeah, bro.
You got it. Yes. Literally that. Hold it. I want some like, how the fuck did she shoot that type shit? I want somebody to be looking like there's no fucking way. Hold it. Oh yes. Not you adding the extra hand. Hold. Look right into the camera. Hold it. Oh yeah. All right.
Oh yeah, it's fire.
Right? Because I didn't want to put the light on your face. Like I don't want it to seem like, oh yeah, we took this on purpose. I want to make it look like, oh shit, I caught her in the act of some shit. Like nigga tonight, you know what I'm saying? I caught her in the act.
Yeah, that's fire.
I caught her in the act of some shit. I might do that one more. Yeah, I think I want you like that. You're like, awesome. Bitch is an apple. Like hell yeah, that's hard. Oh man, that's hard. Like yeah, nigga, this is an apple. You want blood right there?
I feel like just because the bone is so hard.
Yeah, I got you.
Am I doing this right?
What do you mean?
So we're gonna slip in. I'm slipping and sliding this, that. Okay, cute. It's a little bit of an arch there. Okay. Beats down. Oh my god, is it getting like lumpy? But I can only see an arch if you're like neck and neck.
Hold it. Oh, I like that. Oh. Guys, you good? Alright, let me see. It should be good. Good shoot, you guys. Ah!
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.